Alright, today we have got a 2005 Polaris Sportsman 800. And we've already got her. And she's already up on the jacks, as you can see. And he's already got the 30-inch Outlaw radials on 14-inch, I don't know. You can read that just as well as I can. I don't really. Here, I'll rotate it for you. So those wheels, and I think that's really. I know I need a wide-angle lens. I'm in my garage. I ain't got a lot of room. So yeah, that's the candidate. And what we're doing to it today. There's the storage unit there. So we got the high lifter lift kit. But it's for the 2005 Polaris Sportsman 800. And here's the high lifter. I think it's a signature series kit is what it said. Yeah, that's what all comes in that kit. And then we got the wild boar radiator relocation, which I don't know. I'm still wondering if they didn't send me two wrong parts, because I'll show you in a second. But so those are the sides, and then all the bag of fun stuff, and then the cover, which this didn't even come with a freaking no instructions, nothing. I mean, it's pretty much no-brainer, but I mean, come on now, how am I supposed to figure out where all these nuts and bolts go? You know, I told dude I wasn't going to have any extra parts. Don't make a liar out of me. So I'll get online and see if I can't find the instructions to it, because yeah, there's bound to be one or two extra nuts and bolts, which that's not what I'm going for. So what I'm talking about on here, I don't know, because it bends out this way and this one. You see, they're identical parts. So, which that can fall over. So when you put your plate up here, you know, on this side, which is going to bolt like that, you know, you've got this nice clean edge here. You know, it just looks good. Well, on the other side, you know, when I bolt it to, I don't have such a nice clean edge. I mean, this side looks good. This side kind of looks like. So, we got to get on the phone and get some instructions on that. And I'll take the camera back now. Thank you, Woody.
Yep.
Smile. You ain't even looking. So, and now we've got the Snorkel Your ATV snorkel kit, obviously made by Snorkel Your ATV. Oh, and here's the rest of the hose for the wild boar kit. So we got plenty of vacuum hose, basically, lots of it, and it is labeled, which I do like. 74, 75, 65, so they do have instructions, thank God. We got the vacuum hose here with the adapters, which I don't know, I'm not sure, but being it's a 2005, older, I may have the vacuum hoses cracked and stuff, I don't know, but that's not something that, you know, that's nothing against them. We've got lots of rubber couplings here, and then they're Warrior risers, which I like these, because you can take your, which I'm sure everyone has seen on the video, you take your vacuum hose here and you run it up, you know, and it goes out of it. This is just a clean, stupid rubber band in the way. It's clean assembly, and that way it just looks clean. It looks really good. And on the Warrior risers, they've got the kind of pre-filters, I guess. I don't know. It looks like a little screen to me. Maybe it'll keep stuff out. If it'll stay in there. Maybe I'm supposed to glue that. I don't know. I won't put the rubber band on it right now, though. And then zip ties, more connectors, elbows. don't know what these are for. We'll find out. Hose clamps. And when you're snorkeling your ATV, this, even if you don't buy a kit, whatever, buy this, because this is the most important part, because that way you have a good, better connection, and you're not like making some, I don't have a good word for it, but some redneck bull. Yeah, so buy this. Yeah, all this going in that. Let the fun begin. You having issues, Woody?
Yes, I am.
Is it operator error? In Woody's defense, it would not come off. So we resorted to plan B. What is plan B? A big wrench to beat the nut off of the, or beat the nut out of the socket. Woody, shut up.
Well,
do I know what?
there's two different. Get that off. Turn that off. There's one for each side.
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
I didn't check to see if I gave you the right one. I just gave you two pieces.
Look, that's why I thought it looked like that, because that would fit like that. This one's the other way, just like that ball of wood.
So what happened, Woody?
I don't know. The mechanic's not very good, aka this guy right here.
No. Look who's working on it right now.
That's besides the point.
Dude, I'm like...
I'm an apprentice.
Apprentice?
The other guy's supposed to check over his work, make sure you're doing right.
Yeah, I kind
He
of...
sat in a chair and said, yeah, that's right.
I did. I'll show you my view. Hold on. So there's my chair. You know, great view. So, yeah, I guess I'm going to have to watch this guy just a little bit closer. But, anyways, so I just got off the phone. Well, I called Wild Boar. I said, hey, I think I got the wrong brackets. And I asked them for their email. They sent me an email to send some pictures to. And it wasn't even 10 minutes later. They were like, yeah, we're resending the brackets. You know, they apologize for the inconvenience, which, hey, that's cool, you know. It's annoying, yes, but at least they were real cool about it, and they replied within 10 minutes. Only thing that sucks is we gotta wait for the brackets to come in, but so I guess we're just gonna keep moving forward. Oh, I said this was clean, but really? Well, I guess he does actually play in the mud with it. I would say that dude likes to play in the mud. I already showed you this, but I'll show you again. So here, and yes, it's a full 5-gallon bucket. So here we got the back installed of the high lifter. As you can see, lift kit. We're having issues on the front because I've got to grind a portion of this off, and I do not have a aluminum grinding disc, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I just used a regular one that clogged up in a matter of seconds. So gotta wait for Lowe's to open. I don't know. So just kind of explanation. You know, here's your strut, or the bottom piece of your strut. Your aluminum thing's gonna go here, and this little piece falls in there. And then it just slides back on. And that's gonna be the front. After I get that ground down, so the CV boot won't come in contact with it.